All right, polynomials, day 2. We are going to be multiplying polynomials. So basically this is just another way of saying we're going to use the distribution rule. Distribution rule? Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. All right, first example, this goes back to our exponent rules that we talked about a couple days ago, weeks ago. When I multiply 3x squared times 9x to the 7, if you remember multiplying them, you add the exponents. So 3 times 9, I do like normal. That's 27, and then add the exponents. So 2 plus 7 is 9. So this final answer is 27x to the 9. So that's kind of just to get you back into the process of multiplying and what you do with their exponents. So example 2, we're going to distribute. So first x times x. Again, we're going to add the exponents, so that ends up giving me x squared. And then x times 4 is 4x. So there is our final answer on that one. Now the next example, I have 5x times x. So that gives me 5x squared. And then 5x times 7 gives me 35x. So once you multiply, you need to look and see, do you have any like terms? If you don't, then you're done. So 5x squared and 35x are not like terms, so we are done. All right, example 4 and 5, I want you to try on your own. So go ahead and pause it and try it out for yourself and then see if you get the same answer that I do. All right, so 4, when we distribute 7x squared times 3x, well 7 times 3 is 21, x squared times x is x cubed. And then 7x squared times negative 4. 7 times negative 4 is negative 28, and our exponent doesn't change. So the final answer on that one is 21x cubed minus 28x squared. All right, on example 5, we have 3 terms that we have to distribute to. So this becomes 5x squared times x squared. So again, we add our exponents. That gives me 5x to the 4th. Then 5x squared times 2x. 5 times 2 is 10, x squared times x is x cubed. And 5x squared times negative 7. 5 times negative 7 is negative 35, and our x squared stays the same. So this final answer is 5x to the 4th plus 10x cubed minus 35x squared. All right, moving on. Now we have 2 binomials multiplied together. So here we're going to do that same thing. So we're going to distribute the x. So distribute the x to both terms. So x times x gives me x squared, and then x times 6 gives me 6x. Okay, and then I'm going to distribute the 5 to both terms. So 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 6 is 30. Now, once we get to this part, we're going to have to combine our like terms. So my like terms in this example are the 6x and the 5x. So I end up with x squared, 6x plus 5x is 11x, and then plus 30. So there is our final answer. When we multiplied 2 binomials against each other, we resulted in a trinomial. All right, so let's try that with number 7. So I'm going to distribute the x to both. X times 3x gives me 3x squared. X times negative 7 gives me negative 7x. Now distribute the 9. 9 times 3x is 27x. And 9 times negative 7 is negative 63. So from here, we're going to combine our like terms, so which are the middle ones here. So end up with 3x squared, negative 7x plus 27x is positive 20x minus 63. All right, go ahead and try number 8 on your own. Go ahead and pause it and then check back. All right, when you check back, you should have gotten 8x squared minus 4x plus 18x minus 9. When you combine your like terms, you get 8x squared plus 14x minus 9. Alright, on number 9, we're doing that exact same thing, but now we have 3 terms in the right to distribute to. So I'm going to have to do x to x squared to x and to 1. So x times x squared is x cubed, x times x is x squared, and x times 1 is x. Alright, when I do the second one, I'm going to put the like terms underneath. So when I multiply 2 times x squared, I'm going to put it underneath the other x squared from the original distribution. That way we have them lined up. 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times 1 is 2. So now my like terms are lined up, so I can just add them together. So x cubed, x squared plus 2x squared is 3x squared. X plus 2x is 3x. And then we have that plus 2. Alright, last but not least, 3x minus 1 squared. So we know that that squared means that we're taking that number, or that term, and multiplying it by itself. So make sure that you write both of them out and then go ahead and distribute like we've done above. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x, and negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. So from here, my like terms are negative 3x and negative 3x. Combine those, we get negative 6x. And your final answer is 9x squared minus 6x plus 1. So from here, go ahead and put if you had any questions, if you thought anything was confusing, and what did you learn.